Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best multifunctional travel suitcase of this year. Product 1: Aviation Computer Luggage. Aviation computer luggage refers to a type of travel suitcase designed to cater specifically to the needs of modern travelers, especially those who frequently use air travel and carry electronic devices like computers or laptops. This type of luggage combines the functionalities of traditional suitcases with the requirements of today's tech-savvy travelers. The term aviation computer luggage suggests that this luggage is optimized for air travel, taking into consideration the regulations and constraints of airline travel, such as size limits for carry-on luggage and the need for efficient packing and organization. This type of luggage is likely designed to be durable, lightweight, and easy to maneuver through airport terminals, making the travel experience smoother. The use indicates that the luggage is constructed from a durable and stylish material. Oxford cloth is known for its strength and resistance to wear, making it suitable for luggage that will be subjected to the rigors of travel. The term fashion suggests that aesthetics have been considered, making this luggage not only functional, but also visually appealing. The inclusion of travel suitcase universal wheel boarding bag trolley case highlights the versatile nature of the luggage. It likely features 4 universal wheels that allow for 360-degree rotation, making it easy to push or pull the suitcase in any direction. The trolley case aspect indicates that the luggage comes equipped with a retractable handle, allowing travelers to roll the suitcase alongside them. The USB large capacity feature is a notable modern addition. This suggests that the luggage is equipped with USB ports or a built-in power bank, enabling travelers to charge their electronic devices on the go. Additionally, the large capacity luggage provides ample space for packing essentials, including clothes, toiletries, and electronic gadgets. In summary, aviation computer luggage fashion Oxford cloth travel suitcase universal wheel boarding bag, trolley case USB large capacity, describes a type of luggage that blends the convenience of modern technology with the practicalities of air travel. It's designed to be durable, stylish, and accommodating to the needs of travelers who carry electronic devices. With features like universal wheels and USB charging capabilities, this luggage aims to enhance the travel experience by offering both functions. Product 2: Luggage Multifunction Travel Suitcase. The Luggage Multifunction Travel Suitcase is a cutting-edge travel accessory designed to enhance the convenience and functionality of modern travel experiences. This suitcase boasts a range of innovative features that cater to the needs of travelers, making their journeys more comfortable and efficient. One of the standout features of this suitcase is its durable aluminum frame, which not only provides robust protection to the contents, but also contributes to the overall sleek and modern design. The aluminum frame ensures that the suitcase can withstand the rigors of travel, offering peace of mind to travelers concerned about their belongings. The integrated pull rod system adds to the ease of use. It allows travelers to effortlessly maneuver the suitcase through busy airports, crowded streets, and various terrains. The retractable pull rod can be adjusted to suit different heights, further enhancing user comfort. An exciting innovation in this travel suitcase. In today's tech-driven world, staying connected is essential. The inclusion of a USB port allows travelers to conveniently charge their electronic devices on the go, eliminating the need to hunt for available power outlets during layovers or delays. Moreover, the suitcase comes equipped with a folding cup holder, which is a thoughtful addition for those who want to enjoy their beverages without the hassle of holding them separately. This feature adds a touch of practicality to the travel experience, making it easier for travelers to enjoy refreshments without sacrificing their mobility. The included boarding bag is an added bonus. This smaller, attachable bag offers a convenient way to carry essentials or personal items that need to be accessed quickly without opening the main suitcase. It's a useful companion for day trips or short outings, making the overall travel experience even more seamless. In conclusion, the suitcase represents a new standard in travel convenience and functionality. With its aluminum frame, pull rod system, USB charging port, folding cup holder, and boarding bag, this suitcase addresses the various needs and challenges that travelers face in today's fast-paced world. Whether embarking on a business trip or a leisurely vacation, this multi-function suitcase aims to enhance the overall travel experience while keeping style and Product 3 Product name, Aluminium Frame Design Luggage. The Mixi Patent Design aluminum framed suitcase is a stylish and innovative piece of luggage that offers a blend of functionality, aesthetics, and durability. This suitcase is designed with modern travelers in mind, providing them with a convenient and visually appealing option for carrying their belongings during their journeys. The suitcase is available in multiple sizes, 18, 20, and 24 inches, allowing travelers to choose the one that best suits their needs. Whether it's a short weekend getaway or a longer trip, one of the standout features of this suitcase is its aluminum frame design, which not only adds a sleek and sophisticated look, but also enhances the overall strength and durability of the luggage. The aluminum frame provides added protection to the contents of the suitcase, making it suitable for various travel conditions, including rough handling at airports or during transit. The patent design aspect suggests that it boasts a unique and exclusive design that sets it apart from other luggage options on the market. This design could encompass elements like distinctive patterns, shapes, or functionalities that differentiate it and make it an attractive choice for travelers who appreciate aesthetics. Being categorized as a carry-on rolling luggage, the Mixi aluminum frame suitcase is designed to meet most airlines' size restrictions for cabin luggage. This ensures that travelers can conveniently take their suitcase with them into the cabin, avoiding the need to check it in, and potentially saving time and hassle at the airport. In summary, the Mixi Patent Design aluminum frame suitcase, available in 18, 20, and 24-inch sizes, combines an eye-catching design with the strength of an aluminum frame. It offers travelers a stylish and durable solution for their packing needs, while the carry-on size and rolling functionality add to its practicality and convenience.
For fun, I used to kiss him just for fun, just for fun.
Product 5 Product name Aluminum Magnesium Designer Luggage. Aluminum Magnesium Designer Luggage offers a blend of durability, style, and functionality, catering to the needs of modern travelers. This line of luggage boasts a 24-inch case and a 20-inch boarding bag, both crafted from a premium combination of aluminum and magnesium materials. The result is a luggage set that exhibits exceptional strength while remaining relatively lightweight, making it ideal for both business and leisure travel. One of the standout features of this designer luggage is its incorporation of universal wheels. These wheels provide smooth and effortless maneuverability, allowing travelers to navigate through crowded airports, busy streets, and various terrains with ease. The four-wheel system minimizes strain on the user's arm and wrist, enhancing overall travel comfort. The design of the luggage set is well suited for men who prioritize both functionality and aesthetics. The metal exterior knot suitcase design further adds a touch of luxury, making a statement about the traveler's refined taste. With a focus on catering to business travelers, this luggage line features elements that make it particularly suited for professional journeys. The 24-inch case offers ample storage space, accommodating business attire, essentials, and perhaps even work-related items. The 20-inch boarding bag is designed to be conveniently carried onto airplanes, ensuring that crucial items are easily accessible during the flight. In summary, aluminum magnesium designer luggage offers a harmonious combination of style and practicality. With its durable construction, efficient wheel system, and elegant design, this luggage set serves as a reliable companion for individuals seeking quality and sophistication in their travel experience. Whether embarking on business trips or leisurely getaways, travelers can rely on this luggage.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.